All right now, my plant people, now that we have researched all of our facts on Pebble Go, we're not ready for a nap like this girl. We've got work to do. It tells us to watch this teacher video, to color and label the parts of a plant in your Google slide. No journals, no crayons, no pencils today. We've got a slide to do. Want to see your slide? There it is. It is missing its labels. It is missing its color. But don't worry, the labels are down here to help you. Do you remember the names of all those parts? Don't worry, I've included the anchor chart to help you even more. Let's review it one more time together before you're off to work. Parts of a plant. Let's start down to the bottom. All the way down there in the soil. What do we call those things soaking up the water? You got it. Those are the roots. Then grows this tall, skinny section in the middle. The stem. Keep going up to the side. We have those flat green things. The leaves. Nice. To the very tippy top, the most beautiful part. This one is pink with roundy petals. It's called a what? Flower. And then on the center of that flower, there's a circle. Inside that circle, there's lots of other little circles ready to make new baby plants. They're called seeds. You are ready. You have to fill in all of those labels, and you have to add some color. Doesn't have to be pink. Flowers come in so many different colors. Think about what color you will color today on your Google slide. I'm getting my iPad ready to show you exactly how to complete your Google slide. So take a look here. I've got mine ready. We find our slide, and then we click our pen up top to edit it. Once I've clicked my pen, arrow over to our slide missing its labels. You have this one to review and check and make sure you remember those names, see the color examples, and then let's go get you to work. You have the same diagram. You have the lines ready for labels. And down here, we have our labels to read and to copy. Let's read them together one time. Our first label says roots. Next label, stem. Third label, leaf. Number 4, seeds. Number 5, flower. You'll need to read a label and then write it in the correct place that it goes. Make sure you're using a color that your teacher can read. I'm going to start with flower. I'm looking here at the label. I found the flower, and I'm going to copy the word flower. Once I've added the label, I can even mark it out to show I already used flower. And then I get to color my flower. I think I want a yellow today. I'm going to take my time and color in the lines and make my flower look pretty. I love flowers. Maybe you want to be creative and add stripes on your flower, or polka dots on your flower, or pattern your petals, yellow, red, yellow, red. Be creative today, my flower friends. Now I've added my flower label. I've got to keep going. I've got seeds next. Where are the seeds? You'll have to add your labels and use your brain to do your work. I'm not showing you everything. So let's get you started. You know where to go to your slide. Make sure you add all your labels, add all your color, and then don't forget to click save. Be patient for it to save all your beautiful color and labels. And then exit out. Blue button, turn in. Yes, turn in. Please take your time. Add your color. You have to add your 5 labels. And if you don't remember, go check the anchor chart. On your mark, get set. It's your Google slide time. See you later, plant people.